Hello and welcome to huffHacks, and today I'll show you an easy way to control your Raspberry Pi directly from your laptop using an Ethernet cable. This will give you full control of your Pi's terminal as if you were running an SSH session and give your Pi full internet access. All you'll need is a laptop running Ubuntu, a Pi running Raspbian, an Ethernet cable and a micro USB cable. If you're not sure how to get any of these, a quick Google search should show you how. In the first part, you're going to want to head up here to the networking icon. Click on it, then click Edit Connections. In the window that comes up, click Add. Make sure Ethernet is the type selected, and then click on Create. Change the connection name to whatever you want to call it, so in this case Pi. And then go over to the IPv4 settings tab, click it, and make sure the method is shared to other computers. Then go over to IPv6 settings and make sure the method is ignore. Now you can save and close the window. Now that we've created a network between the Pi and the computer, we're going to want to identify the Pi's address on the network. To do this, you need to download a program called ARPscan. To download it, head over to the terminal. As per usual, type in sudo apt-get update and press enter. This will update your package list to make sure you're getting the newest package. Then you want to enter sudo apt-get install ARP-scan. Again, press enter, and if asked if you want to install, press Y and then enter. Once a package has been installed, that's it for configuration on the computer. Now it's time to connect the Pi to the computer. Go ahead and plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Raspberry Pi and the other end into the computer. Make sure the SD card is in the Pi, and then you may wish to power the Pi using the micro USB cable directly from your computer's USB ports. However, make sure you only do this if you know that your computer can handle the current for the Pi. If not, plug your Pi into an external power supply. So I'm going to go ahead and plug my Pi in, and now if you give it a few moments, you'll either get an automatic message appearing over here somewhere saying that the Pi is connected. If not, go and click on the networking icon and then click on the Pi connection you created earlier. And sure enough, the successful message has appeared. This may take a couple of minutes if this is the first time you've turned your Pi on. Be patient and it should happen eventually. Now we need to locate whereabouts the Pi is on our network. To do this, go and open a terminal window and then paste in the following command. Go down to the description below the video where there'll be a link to my website which will have all the commands. Press enter and your computer password if required. Now there should just be one result shown. In this case, and that will be the Pi. For me, I need to note down this IP address here. So make sure you know this address. Once you've done this, you can move on to the final step. For the final part of this guide, you're going to want to actually connect to the Raspberry Pi. Go and open another terminal window. Now type in the following command, sudo ssh, now enter the username for your Pi. The default is just Pi, and now you're going to want to enter the address we found in the previous step. Press enter. It's going to ask you for your password again. And now it's going to ask you for the password of your Pi. For the default system, this is just Raspberry. Don't be worried if nothing appears, that's how it's meant to be. And now you should be in your Pi. Notice that here it says Pi and here is my normal computer login name, so indeed it's worked. Unfortunately I can't show you the Pi connecting to the internet because my computer doesn't currently have a Wi-Fi connection, but that isn't necessary if you're just running the Pi as normal. So now I'm going to go ahead and shut down the Pi. And it's worked. Perfect. I'm now back into my normal computer user. Also, please note that once you've rebooted your computer and Pi, its address may change. In order to get a new one, just repeat the previous step again with this command, and that should find you your new address, and then type this new address into the SSH code. That'll be it for this tutorial. Please subscribe and let me know what you think by leaving comments below, and visit huffHacks.com for more detail on this guide and many others.